Right, very good afternoon, everybody. At the moment, I'm doing an update on seeking-u.co.uk. I'm doing a comprehensive quantum security shield at the moment, and this is what the computer's doing at the moment, so I'll allow that because we're building protection into the platform, because the reason why is there is like a number of different super quantum computers, and I've just said to Lovable right there, the people who are telling the instructions to the the quantum computer, they may not have good intentions. So I'm telling it I want something now rather than 18 months down the line. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because the video I've just uploaded with a shout out to Enter Crypto, a fellow channel, and others. There's Coin Bureau as well, and there is 2-Bit Crypto, does YouTube and TikTok, as I do. Service rule, yeah. Yeah, it's basically it's working at the moment to solve multi level problems and beef up the security, so that if anybody does have that kind of knowledge, the site is safe. And what else is it doing? Oh, it's editing the quantum security at the moment. The reason why I want to tell you about it is this: like I say, at the end of the day, I want to be ahead of the curve rather than following the curve. And this is why I spoke earlier about education. That's important, especially when you're spending your money, you know. And what's it saying there? Add quantum oh, right. So I've now got a quantum security center. Center is now live, and here's what has been built. So just bear with me one sec. We have a database infrastructure, detect functions, edge functions, admin dashboard. The dashboard's admin only, so me or somebody working within the company would have access to that. Warning system are expected when scoped to edge functions only. So I'm kind of preparing the platform for a possible future attack. I'd rather have the protection in place before, just to be on the safe side. And so yes, that is now done, and now I'm going to press publish. Right. So updating right now, and there's another one I've got to do as well. Right. So at the moment there are 57 visitors. My hope is this year it grows and it grows and it grows, because now I have extra added security to do with quantum computing. Let's have a look at this one as well. Let's have a little deep-see. Right. Some security scanners of your project have outdated results. Okay, check for updates. Yeah, I'm doing that. Scanning at the moment. But these are things that I wanted to do. I want to be able to push forward, which is one of the reasons why in the video before I'm speaking about the Financial Conduct Authority and the Bank of England. You just might think at the end of the day, I'm off my trolley or whatever, but I want to put these things into place, and that's what I'm doing. So yes, still doing the security. And the same thing after I've finished on this with geordienation.co.uk up in the northeast. So it'll be on there too. Overall readiness, encryption. Full scans. Right, okay. So that all looks good. Just waiting for that scan to finish. See, working with artificial intelligence, I know people are weary, but it's no need to be. Do you know what I mean? It's there for us to teach it, and we've got to do that. We've got to teach it the right way, and that's why, like I say, after watching Dr. Julian McCoy's video on something had changed. That's why I'm doing this video, because I've just done it on my system to work on both of the websites, and so when the FCA or whoever wants to have a look, be my guest, have a look, So yes, thank you very much for watching. Reason why I'm wearing my shirt, I'm hoping Newcastle United can this evening get something down in Manchester. It's going to be hard, but I'm hoping. So yes. Now, I thank you very much for watching. You like the videos, please give me one of those. Subscribe. And I'm not going to be live tonight, because obviously it's been a very busy day today. But yes, so that's finished. And the errors are outdated, so don't need them. And press that again just to be on the safe side. Right, I don't need to. So yes, thank you very much. Hopefully tonight Newcastle United can get something down in Manchester, and we'll all be happy because it's Premier League, but we'll play them twice because we'll play them in the FA Cup as well. Anyway, thank you.